Good morning. I woke up about an hour ago and I'm still half asleep. I've got to have a driving lesson today, which it was at 10:45 and then he changed it to 11. Don't know why, but oh well. I also need to go to Tesco to get like smoothie stuff because it's all gone out of date for my smoothies and I'm really upset about it because I can't have smoothies anymore until I've got more stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, what I'm using is this toner water from Lush, this simple moisturiser and this simple revitalising eye roll, which to be honest I don't feel like it does anything, but we move. Hello. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh. I don't really know what to have now that I can't have my smoothie. I usually just have that for breakfast. I'm sad. Ever since I've been having the smoothies, I feel like my skin has been so much better. I mean, it's not that great right now. I'm due to be on my period, so that makes sense. But yeah, it's actually really good now. And if you're curious, I have broccoli, green beans, cucumber, banana. What else do I have in it? Spinach. That's what I usually have in my smoothie, and lemon juice. It sounds like it tastes like shit, and I mean it doesn't taste the best, but it's alright. It's alright. I feel like the smoothie, like green smoothies, take like getting used to and like finding out what works in the smoothie and what actually tastes nice to you, if you know what I mean. And I've also been having matcha tea, and it's actually really nice. The first time I made it, you'd probably see it in my That Girl video. I think that was my last video. But I made it wrong and it was absolutely disgusting. But guys, I found out how you make it properly. You just get the powder and you get boiling water as well, and you mix those together before you put it in with the milk. Like, I got these from Tesco, they're like little sachets of it. I'm not feeling the best lately. I don't know what it is, I've had enough, you know what I mean? It just feels like everything's really repetitive and I just hate that. Like, I like new things and doing different things every day, but it just feels the same. I'm getting a bit bored. It's alright though, I feel like we all go through phases like this where just every day feels the same. But saying that, I am doing driving lessons now, so that's a really positive thing for me because I've always wanted to drive. I feel like it will give me that freedom that I've always wanted. But it is what it is. And I'll get there in the end. You just gotta keep going. Think about it. If you just give up because you think you're gonna fail, you're gonna fail anyway because you haven't even tried. So you just gotta keep pushing. You've got this. We've all got this. We've got this together. I'm gonna go to my driving lesson. That's in a bit. I'm back. It went really well. I'm really proud of myself. We went on like the main road, did a bit of reversing. Yeah, it went really well. Last lesson was pretty awful, but it's alright. We live and we learn. So now I'm going to the gym. My mum's giving me a lift. You gotta love it. I'm just gonna wear all grey to the gym today. And yeah. Oh, I feel like I haven't been to the gym in ages. I'm excited. Let's go. And your mum, you got me a burger. She's texting, so she don't care for what I've got to say actually. Temptation. and I'm really excited to show you. Got some spinach, some sensations because they're the best thing in the world, some broccoli, and then some apples, bananas, some lemons, cucumber, some more of the Vivid matcha green tea powder. This is ridiculous. So they did, like, Vivid, the same company, has like just a it's not like a tub, it's like a bag kind of thing full of just the powder. It's not in sachets, and it's for £12, and I feel like that's so unreasonable because, like, why? Why? And now for what I'm really excited about. I found this thing from Tetley Tea. It's got 3 infusions for your tea, and like it comes with like a reusable bottle. I'm completely obsessed. I absolutely love like cold tea, like iced tea, a lot more than like hot tea. So this is amazing. A little thing you can put your tea in, and it comes with raspberry and cranberry, mint, lemon and cucumber, and passion fruit and mango. I think I might try this one, but I really want to try it. I'm so excited. I don't even know how this works. I think it's like, oh, that smells. Ah, okay, so it's like a little tea bag, look, and you just put that in. I didn't end up making the infused tea.
So I'm going to use my life for these prices.
You're in the camera. Tetley Tea. It's got a different colour already. What's that? We're going to drop off something. I'm going to try my passion fruit and mango tea infusion thing.
I'll do it later.
It's just like flaming water.
16 million years ago. And the fascination around that formation is
Ignore the noise, the washing machine's on, love that. I'm going to make a smoothie. So now, my room's a state. It gets out of hand so quickly, I don't even know how. So I'm going to have a bath because I'm cold, and I'm going to clean. know when we finish college. I feel like it's really soon, which is actually really scary. So what do you do now? What? I'm not going to uni or anything, so I'm a bit lost at the moment. I'm looking for jobs. That is very stressful at the moment, but I'll get there in the end. I'm sorry if I like this outfit or not. But I'm really tired, so I'm just gonna wear it anyway. I don't really care. The outfit of the day. I underestimated how cold it actually is. I'm freezing.
I'm just thinking of feeding the family.
I'm going to another garage.
How long did you cook cakes, can't you?
Thanks, Vic.
As I've got older, you know, I'm a bit worried about, you know, maybe making myself.
I'm doing my bullet journal. This is what it looks like so far. All my moods of the month. I've been very up and down this month. And then my sleep. On average, it looks like I get like 9 hours of sleep. I feel like that's too much. I don't feel like I need that much. Usually when I have like 7 hours, like 6 hours, I always feel more awake than normal. Yeah, I went to college yesterday. I'm sorry I didn't record much. Like, I don't know why I didn't. I just feel like there wasn't much to record. But my friend Vic made cupcakes and they were really nice. Thanks, Vic. Loved them. Hello, you nightmares. Come on in. Today I want to go to the gym because I was meant to go on Saturday, I think it was, and I just didn't go. This is my outfit for the gym today. Feeling kind of cute actually. I really can't be bothered for this actually. I'll do it though, I've got to do it. As usual, I forgot to record anything. Love that for me, but it went really well. I feel like I've accomplished something, so yeah. Now I need to go shopping for my little brother's birthday, so hopefully I can find something, otherwise it's a bit awkward. Got my peach iced tea. It's really hot. I can't see anything. I had to find things for my little brother, but I just can't, so I'm gonna have to resort to like online stuff instead. But that'll be alright, I'll find something in the end. I still can't see anything. Love that for me. I've found something online, so he has got something at least. I'll keep looking anyway. Sorry about the music. Yeah, it's really loud here. I'm gonna move. I found this silk satin dress. I love it, but it's a size 16. If you know anywhere that sells dresses like that, let me know. Or like satin skirts, I can't find them anywhere. I'm back home and my muscles are starting to hurt, like I can feel it. I'm scared for tomorrow. I just got some fries, which really doesn't make sense. You go to the gym and then get bad food after, but you know what, I don't care. It is what it is. I wanted fries, so I got fries. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna eat these, have a shower because I'm gross, and I'm gonna do a little try on haul for you guys. I think you'll appreciate it. So right, so I got this dress. I could put looks like this is from H&M. I really do like this actually. I didn't think I would like it, but it's quite cute actually. I feel like I'm in the 90s or something in this. This is £12.99, which I think that's a really good price because the material is really comfortable and stretchy and nice to wear as well. I've got to stay close to the camera because I've got no bottoms on, but this is the top I got from H&M as well. I wasn't going to buy this because I was like, ew, I'm going to hate that, but like I got it anyway because it is really cute and I do really like it actually. The back just looks like that. Yeah, this is really cute. This was also £12.99. Okay, and while I'm here doing a little haul. I also got that cider package that I've been waiting for absolutely ages. So yeah, I can show you that now. This first set literally looks like pyjamas. I'm starting to contemplate if it actually is pyjamas because it really does look like it. But it's just this top, these shorts. I originally got this set just for the shorts because I was inspired by this picture absolutely ages ago. I wanted to kind of recreate it, but I ended up getting these shorts instead. So yeah, I mean, like it's really thin as well, like pyjamas, so I'm gonna have to double check that. I'm actually a bit confused. This is the next set from Cider. I love this. It's very fluffy, it's so soft, it's not itchy, which is always a bonus because I feel like with fluffy material it can be quite itchy sometimes. But this is cute. This is so cute. Oh, I love that this dress is a trend now with the open back, the halter neck. Yeah, this is a vibe. It's very thick material actually, but it's so like loose, not loose, but like open in the back and the front, and I feel like it would be alright in summer still. Okay, here's the last one. This is a small and it feels absolutely massive, like I think that's just how it's meant to be though. I think it's meant to be very like oversized and loungy and comfy. Can I get away with it? Can I pull it off? Let me know down in the comments. I think it's cute. I'm gonna keep it. I don't, you know. I'm actually gonna leave this vlog right here now. I feel like there's nothing really left to show you. I just have to bath my dogs today. Then I'll just be chilling again. I feel like half the time I'm spent watching TV and chilling. There's not really much to do lately. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog anyway. I didn't upload on the Wednesday and the Sunday last week before this video was up, and I apologise for that. I just needed a little break. I was having like a block in my mind, like creative block. I didn't really know what to post. I had no energy to post anything or record anything, so I hope you can understand that. But I'm back. I'm trying, I'm pushing through for you guys. So yeah, and I am growing so much on this channel right now. And hi to everyone that is new, and thank you so much for subscribing. It means the world to me. I really appreciate you all, and I'm just so excited to keep growing and create a little community and be a little safe space, you know. Give you some entertainment and that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.